Alright, let's get real for a second. The next big money-making opportunity, it might not be on Wall Street. It might not be on Amazon. Nope. The truth is that some persons are making more money from their bedroom. And no, I don't mean sleeping or that other thing that came to your mind.
Yeah, boy.
Now, before we dive in, let me be super clear. What I'm about to share with you might make some persons uncomfortable. It may not line up with some of your personal standards or beliefs. And listen, that's completely fine. This video is strictly for informational purposes. Just because I'm talking about these hustles, it doesn't mean that I agree with them, endorse them, or even think that you should try them. But hear what the fact is. They exist, they are real, and people out there are making thousands of dollars every single month doing some really, let's say, unconventional stuff. So today I'm going to be breaking down 7 kinky, freaky, unusual ways that people are making money online and even offline, plus the actual websites where they sign up, the income potential, and how it all works. So buckle up, because this one is going to be equal parts of shocking, hilarious, and maybe, just maybe, a little bit inspiring. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the Next Level Life Hacks, where we take the next steps needed to grow towards our financial freedom and success. You know, it's funny because people say money makes the world go round, but let's be honest. Curiosity, desire, and taboo, they have been making the world spin since, well, forever. Here's a quick example. During the 2008 financial crisis, when banks were collapsing and housing markets were falling apart, the adult industry, it kept growing. People cut their cable, they canceled their gym membership, but they never canceled that one subscription, if you know what I mean. And now in 2025, we have platforms like OnlyFans turning everyday people into 6 and sometimes 7-figure earners. We've got niche sites where someone will literally pay you just to talk to them on the phone in a funny voice. And whole communities where folks are paying hundreds of dollars for, guess what? 1 socks. Yes, you heard me right. 1 sock. Now let's dive into these 7. And as we go along, I want you to think, would I do this? Could I do this? Or do I just want to laugh at the fact that people are actually paying for these things? Either way, we are bound to have a lot of fun today.
Okay.
So let's dive right in. Now let's start with the one that you've probably heard jokes about, and that is selling feet pics. Now, as silly as it sounds, this is a multi-million-dollar niche. Platforms like Feet Finder, Fun with Feed, and yes, also OnlyFans. People are making $500 to $1,000 per month just from pictures of their toes. Here's the wild part. It's one of the safest niches in the adult space because guess what? You don't have to show your face. You don't have to reveal your identity either. Think about it. You take 10 pictures of your feet, upload them, and someone out there says, yes, that's exactly what I've been looking for. Here's $20. Multiply that by 50 buyers, and suddenly that silly idea your friend dared you to try has turned into your rent money. So let me throw this out there. Would you ever sell a picture of your feet if someone offered you $50? Be honest in the comment section below. Remember, we listen, we don't judge. Number 2 is custom role play calls or chats. This is where things get real interesting. Platforms like Night Flirt, Friendly, and adult phone chat jobs let people pay you to, let's say, act out their fantasies. But here's the catch. Most of the time it's all done through voice or text. No video, no face-to-face. So you could literally be sitting in sweatpants, eating Cheetos, while on the phone pretending to be someone's strict math teacher, giving them detention, if you know what I mean. People pay between $20 and $50 for 15 minutes of this. Do the math. 4 calls per hour at $30 each that is $120 an hour. And let's say you only do it for 5 hours for the week. That is $600 a week or $2,400 a month. Not bad for flexing your imagination, right? And if you're thinking, who on earth could pay for this? Remember this, people don't pay for the service, they pay for the experience. And if you can deliver that to them in an effective way, then the money flows into you. Number 3, and you better buckle up for it because it always gets a reaction, is selling worn clothing. Yes, even that part of clothing. So socks, shoes, lingerie, underwear, even shoes and gym wears. Sniffer platform is one of the platforms that you can get this done. Sniffer, right? Now here's how this works. You buy a $20 pair of leggings. You wear it, then you list it for sale for $50. That's a 150% profit margin, and people actually pay it. Now, is it for everyone? I don't think so, but let's be real. It is a matter of supply and demand, and in this market, demand is steady. It's kind of like flipping thrift store finds on eBay, except in this case, you are the one creating the value added, if you know what I mean. I told you it's going to be blowing your mind and you better buckle up for this one. And I told you it is going to be freaky, and I'm delivering on my promise. Number 4 is dominatrix or domfin, which is actually financial dominance. Think of 50 Shades of Grey. Now this one fascinates me. There are actually people out there who enjoy being controlled financially. They want someone to boss them around and demand money from them. I think I could do that one very well. Platforms like I Want Clips and communities on FetLife, they actually allow dominatrices to connect with clients who are literally begging to be told what to do. Some earn $100 to $500 per session. Yes, just for one session. Others get random tributes, like someone just sends them $200 for the privilege of being ignored. Being ignored. Crazy, right? But here's the thing. It's not about physical contact. It's about psychology, control, and power dynamics. And for some people, that's worth every single dollar they spend. Now, if you're in a relationship now where you're the type A dominant one and you have to be managing people's finances, let's say you have job experience and you could actually be getting paid for that. Think about it. Put it in the comment section below. I won't judge you. Number 5 is adult content creation. This one exploded during the pandemic. Platforms like OnlyFans and ManyVids and Clips for Sale, it allowed creators to upload custom content and sell to fans. Top creators make 6 figures per month. Most make a few hundred or a few thousand, but the appeal is that you don't need a studio, you don't need a boss, and you set your own boundaries. One creator I read about started doing cosplay videos. I hope I pronounced it right. Start dressing up like characters, superheroes, and animes, and she cleared $4,000 a month in her first year. Again, it's all about the niches. The weirder it is, the better it is sometimes. Because remember, what is niche to you is actually gold to someone else. Now, number 6 may actually surprise you, but these are fetish services that don't even require nudity. Platforms like Clip for Sales and Customs for You have categories for you like cake sitting. Literally, people paying to watch you sit on cakes. Platforms like ASMR, that's ASMR, you can sign up for this. People pay $50 for a short clip video, and some people pay $500 for a custom request. So if you're someone who thinks that I will never do someone explicit, remember that there is a market for every content that is weird, funny, and strangely wholesome. Because think about it, who doesn't want an excuse to smash a cake? And number 7, for those who don't want to put themselves out there at all, there is adult toy affiliate marketing. Yes, here's how this works. Companies like Love Honey, Adam and Eve, and affiliate platforms like CJ Affiliate, they let you promote their products. Everyone someone buys through your link, just like normal affiliate marketing, you get 20 to 40% commission. So say you sell a $100 toy and you make $30. You sell 100 of those in a month and you have $3,000 in passive income. And you don't have to be the face of it. You can run a blog, a YouTube channel, even TikToks that you review the products. It's like any other affiliate marketing hustle. It's just now doing it in a spicier niche. Now let's put all of this together. Let's say you combine 3 of these categories. Let's do the feet pics. That's $500 a month on Feet Finder. Let's do the role play one. That's $1,200 a month on Night Flirt. And let's say you do the toy affiliate marketing. That gives you another $1,000 a month through Love Honey. That's $2,700 every month, or around $32,000 a year. Think about it, that's a brand new car or college tuition. That is freedom from credit card debt. And all of this comes from markets that people laugh about or even dismiss. And nobody has to know that you do it. So what do we take from all of this? Number 1 is that the human imagination is endless. Number 2 is that taboo often equals profitable. And number 3 is that whether you agree with it or not, there is money being made in the weirdest corner of the internet. And remember, I'm not telling you to run out and try it. I'm not saying it is for everyone. But sometimes just seeing what is possible opens up your mind to other possibilities you have never thought of. So let me ask you this. If people can make a living selling socks or sitting on cakes, what's stopping you from finding your own creative way to make more money? That is food for thought. Now, if you found this video to be eye-opening, maybe even a little shocking, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want more videos about unusual, surprising, or creative ways that you can build your income. Drop a comment below telling me which of these 7 freaky money-making options shocked you the most, and be honest, which one you would try. I would love to hear your thoughts, and who knows, your comments might inspire the next video that I create. At the end of the day though, money doesn't care where it comes from. It doesn't care if you earn it in a suit and tie or from your kitchen table in Bunnick socks. The real question is, are you willing to think differently about what's possible? Because sometimes the freakiest ideas turns into the biggest opportunities. Thanks for watching this, my friend. Stay curious, stay bold, and as usual, keep building the life that you want. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.